Hey everyone, welcome to episode 5 of Learning Salesforce from Scratch. In this series, we are going to learn Salesforce completely from scratch, step by step in the simplest and the most practical way possible. In this video, let's find out the secret behind why businesses never forget your birthday emails. So before we proceed, hit that subscribe button to start your Salesforce journey. Let's understand what is CRM. Let's say you run a small bakery. Every day, dozens of customers walk in. Some buy pastries, some ask for customer cakes, and some just want free samples. Now, imagine you try remembering everyone's preferences, like who likes chocolate, who is allergic to nuts, who is your regular. You'd go crazy, right? That's where CRM comes in. It helps you store your customer data, track relationships, and manage relationships all in one place. Simply put, CRM is like your business memory. It remembers your customers even when you don't. So, why do companies use CRM? Because it helps them do three magical things. Understand their customers better, like who they are, what they like, and what they need next. Automate repetitive work like sending follow up emails or tracking sales calls. Boost productivity and sales because everything is organized and teams can focus on what matters the most. And the best part, with CRM, every team from marketing to service stays on the same page. Okay, now that you get CRM, let's talk about the superhero in this story, Salesforce. Salesforce didn't just create a CRM, they created a whole universe of tools that help companies connect with customers like never before. From Sales Cloud for managing leads to Service Cloud for handling support and Marketing Cloud for those perfectly timed we miss you emails. Salesforce does it all, and the best part, it's all on the cloud. No installations, no heavy setup, just log in and start building. That's the beauty of Salesforce and CRM. It's how technology helps people build relationships, not just the revenue. In our next video, we'll open your Trailhead playground and explore the Salesforce interface, where all this magic actually happens. So if you are loving this series, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching.